Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my AI WebLab video review. Wanna say goodbye to all website security issues once and for all? World's first, artificial intelligence-powered web security tech keeps your business websites, blogs, links etc. fully secured from hackers, spammers and ensures 100% compliance in under 60 seconds. Get premium. Never offered before protection and compliance tools to keep malicious agents away and save over $5,675 monthly with AI WebLab. Say goodbye to cybersecurity threats or losing business data to any malicious agents forever. First to Universe Technology keeps your business websites 100% secured from hackers and spammers. Get 100% risk protection from internal as well as external sources with minimal grunt. Make passive income monthly by providing high-in-demand services to hungry business owners globally. Never have disruptions due to cyber attacks and other associated risks. Stay safe from phishing, viruses, hackers, ransomware and other related threats. Keep all your customer data secured with zero upfront cost or huge investment ever. Let our security experts manage everything even when you're away from your screens. Offer premium web security and compliance services to local, national and international services for extra income. Protect your business and stay compliant by preventing loss of sensitive personal and professional data. Get done for you. Website specialist AI chatbot and assistant generate high-quality AI images for any offer and niche in 3 clicks. Create high-quality, professional marketing videos in 60 seconds. Use this artificial intelligence-powered tech to keep hackers, spammers away like a pro. Save thousands of dollars that could be wasted by getting sued or through legal threats. Never fall prey to expensive lawyers or costly lawsuits. 100% newbie-friendly technology with easy-to-use dashboard. More than 385 real business owners saved over $6,785 using the same technology. Launch special deal only. Get fast action bonuses worth $14,868. Ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee included. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.